Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get a bigger stash in MW3 Zombies. Your stash is crucial for storing valuable items and gear between deployments. Expanding it means you can save more powerful acquisitions, ensuring you're always ready for the next mission. We'll cover the fundamental ways to increase your storage capacity, making your zombie runs more efficient and rewarding. Let's dive into the core mechanics. To significantly grow your stash, focus on completing specific in-game missions. These often reward you with permanent schematic slots, directly increasing your storage. Additionally, successfully exfilling with certain items converts them into your stash, bypassing backpack limits. Prioritize these actions to see a rapid increase in your available storage space. It's all about smart play. Effective inventory management is key to maximizing your stash. Always prioritize storing high-value items like ether tools or Perca-Colas. Convert items into schematics whenever the option arises, as this frees up physical stash space. Remember to use your backpack strategically during missions, bringing only what you need and extracting with valuable finds to add to your growing collection. For advanced stash tactics, consider focusing on specific contracts that consistently drop high-tier items or schematics. Knowing which items are most efficient to store, like rare ether tools or refined crystals, will optimize your space. Don't be afraid to regularly clear out any low-value items you've accumulated. This keeps your stash lean and ready for truly valuable acquisitions, ensuring maximum efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.